ST555 Sandblaster, the industrial sandblaster system. So what we're looking at is on how the system works and the jet sizes and so on. Now, first thing we'll cover is this. So you'll see that on here we've got 065. So a 21 litre machine, 200 bar, what you'd simply have is the 065 that works alongside it. Different machine, different litres, different pressures, we have different jets. Make sure that you get the right size jet for the system, as otherwise it will not work correctly. Available in 03s, 04s, 055s, 065s and 075s. They're the jets that you can match up to. Now we've got 3 jets inside this system, and what we'll do is we'll take the head off and show you. So the first part that unscrews off, simple and straightforward, and inside there is a carbon, so it's protected. Now if we look down inside it, we will see the 3 jets, and what simply happens is the water enters around the side of it, these 3 jets, and then automatically at the end of it the vacuum comes from the 3 jets pulling the system to pull the actual sand up the tube. It also works off, sandblasters work off sand, air and water. So if you look at this bottom part, you'll see that there's a loop round. The loop round is the actual media that's being used, being pulled in. So as you put that into a tub, you would pull it in on this tube here. On the other one there, that's pulling air in. So if we look at it, you'll see in the system itself how it works. You've then on here got this top regulator. If you look carefully inside, you'll see that you've got holes, and that's regulating the amount of media as well. So you can close it off so it's sucking maximum, or you can close it so far so it's just taking and controlling the amount of medium being used. Very simple and straightforward. Qwashers PSP comes with a 22mm screw fitting on there. You'd never use this on a quick release. The reason being is you want the sandblaster to be going with the pipe going above the gun, facing upwards towards the sky and then dropping back down. Now what we'll do is we'll take this in bits and show you how simple and straightforward the system is. So this pipe at the moment is a 4 metre pipe it comes with. Simply untake that part off, and what you do is just simply push, and the whole lot just pushes out. So what's happening is the water enters at this point here on the system. You'll see the pipe there it goes into, and then what it's doing is the water's coming into the jets, at these 3 jets here. M4 jets, like I say, they're available in 03, 04, 055, 065s and 075s. That's what they add up to. So them jets just unscrew and you can change it over to your machine. Normally we'd send it out with just for the right machine. So inside there you'll see 2 O-rings, and that is to keep the water internal in there so it doesn't start leaking down the side or anything. And the other side is the 1/2 inch pickup tube that pushes in. All stainless steel, so on that side of it we shouldn't have much wear and we shouldn't have much rust or anything else on there on the system itself. Very straightforward and a fantastic system, as I show in the video how it works. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. And I'll just show you the head again and the outlet part.